Such a rally we held, and the twilight's glass gleaming.
It was graduation day at Archway Programs, and Assemblywoman Jean Stanfield was proud to be at the ceremony to honor these talented special needs students who fought through extreme adversity and made it out on top of a very tough year.
It's such an honor to be here. You've all worked so hard for this special day, and on behalf of Assemblyman Ryan Peters and the entire New Jersey General Assembly, we want to recognize all of your accomplishments and wish you well in your very bright futures that you have ahead of you.
Congratulations to the graduating members of Archway Class of 2021.